Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to fix Outlook not responding problem in Windows 11 PC or laptop. You just need to follow me. At first, right mouse click on Start menu. After then click on Task Manager. Here you need to find out Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. Right mouse on it, right click on it and click on Task Manager in Task. After then close the window. Again click on Start menu and type over there Outlook, open Outlook. Click on File. After that, click on Options. After then, click on Add-ins. And from right side, select Home Add-ins under Manage and click on Go. Here, you need to uncheck all the check mark. After then, click on OK. Once it is done, close the Outlook window. After then, click on Start menu again and type over there Control menu. Click on Open. After Open Control panel, click on View by Category. After then, click on Uninstall a program under Programs. Here you need to find out Microsoft Office and right mouse on Microsoft Office. Click on Change. Click on Yes. After then select Quick Repair and after then click on Repair. Again click on Repair. After then try to open Outlook again. Click on Start menu. Type over there Outlook .exe space /save. Enter from your keyboard. Open Outlook in save mode and your problem will be solved. Hope this video tutorial helpful for you. So please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel for next videos. Thank you for watching.